Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2022 Peugeot Boxer. This is the jumbo extra long wheelbase model with a medium roof as well. It comes in a lovely white and has 10,000 miles on the clock as well. Not only does this come with air conditioning, cruise control and satellite navigation, but also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We just open up the passenger door here in the cab. See, we've got 3 seats, of course, cloth line as well. Armrest for the driver, seeing as you will be the one in the most comfort. Open this down, cup holders, table, clipboard as well, along with a second clipboard which pops up here as well. 6 gears as well and a reverse gear. Now if I just open up the cargo space in the back, it is very generous and almost like a TARDIS because it seems a lot bigger on the inside than it does on the outside. Not only is it ply lined, but it comes with cargo rings so you can tie down any load you may be carrying. Comes with interior lighting as well. Space above the cab as well, store a little bit of room, store a little bit of space. And if you can tell by the state of the bulkhead, this has only been used for light loads in the past as well. Just open up the rear just to give you another perspective.